to reset the system settings on your Samsung Galaxy M17e is easy. Now, resetting simply takes every setting that you've customized on your phone back to default, but it does allow you to keep some security customizations, passwords, and even your account. So, all you need to do to take them back to default is open up settings, and then you want to scroll and select general management. From here, tap on reset and look for the option reset all settings. Select that. From here, you can see all of the items that will be left alone while everything else is taken back to default. So just tap on reset settings, enter in your current PIN, password or pattern, and then reset. And as the reset process continues with on, it will restart your phone. So go ahead and wait for the restart to complete itself, and then you can now simply start using your phone after everything has been taken back to default. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.